This video we are going to discuss associative array in bash shell. So basically associative array is the data structure which can store key value pair, and the key can be any string rather than like numerically indexes. So let me declare one associative array, like declare hyphen a person is the array name. Then you can put some key value pair. The keys like name, city, job, and the values are like right hand side. Okay, so let me print this one. Echo simple you can access, that is the key, that is associative array. Then key name, you can get the value, right side value. So let me print some values. You can, if you interested to print all values, you can use this one, add the red symbol. And if you simple negate this one using I mean this negative symbol, okay, then you can print all keys. Okay, and you can print the length of the array using hash symbol. Then if you interested to add some element, you can see I add some element later. And then we expect the array size should be increased, and again I print all the keys. Then we can unset some values, I mean delete some keys, unset person, then key name, existing key name. Then we can check again. Okay, let me run the script. Let me run. The bash version should be greater than 0. It's greater than 4.0. Okay, so it is 5. You can see I print like array name, that is person name. It is fetching John D and working in Newark, and all the keys are fetched, all the values are fetched. The array length that time 3. Then I added the edge key. Then again array size is increased to 4, and I added then the keys should be like this thing. And once I unset this one, then the city is deleted. Okay, so this is all about this associative array in bash.